Well, welcome back to Hot and Fresh Reviews. Today, yes, is the day we finally get Chick-fil-A, something that's never been on this channel. And I ain't gonna cut it or nothing. We're just gonna go for the spicy. Something that, like I said, I've never had. I've always wanted it. Here goes nothing. Does it live up to the hype? Let's see. It actually does. I'm giving Chick-fil-A a 9.3. That's how good this chicken sandwich is. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the flip side, and please share the videos, get the word out to the masses. This channel needs to grow. I'll catch you on the flip side. Goodbye.